guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dehlia from Dehlia's Place. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification button so that you can get notified of all the videos that we put up here at Dehlia's Place. I have just finished filming a spicy noodle eating challenge, so I will link that down below, or it will be somewhere on the screen for you to click on it and watch it. So I'll be coming at you with a review video of a company named Firmoo. It is an online glasses company and they contacted me to do a review on a pair of glasses that they offered to send me. On this site, you would be able to get sunglasses or just regular eyeglasses, whether for fashion or if you have a prescription, you'll be able to put your prescription in as well. You'll also be able to get your reading glasses there, and they have some very fashionable glasses. I'm going to insert some clips of the glasses right here so you can see what I'm talking about. So when the company contacted me to do a review of their glasses, I was a little bit skeptical because I was saying that they're going to send me glasses for free. But anyway, I had nothing to lose, so I decided that I would take the glasses. So when I received the package and I opened it, the first thing I noted was that the case was this case. Look at it, guys. Just you look at this case. It is a hard case, very sturdy. It also came with a softer case for you to drop the glasses in. See, but I wouldn't put this in my handbag because no, I don't think so. It also came with some extra screws as well, so you can fix it should anything happen to it. And I guess this is some sort of key ring. I'm not sure. Better open it and see. Let's see. Oh, it's a screwdriver. It's a little baby screwdriver. See? For you to do the repairs of your little glasses. Isn't that cute? So it has a flat side as well. See? This is cute. And of course you probably can attach it to your keyring. Okay. Right. Inside the case you have the cleaning cloth for the glasses. See? It's made of a microfiber that is very soft, and it will keep your glasses shiny and looking new all the time. What I got was just the standard lens and also the anti-scratch feature and anti-reflective and anti-radiation features. Those are what would normally come with the glasses, but I went a step further and got reading glasses. Bam! See? Aren't they pretty? So here they are. So here they are, guys. I just love them. I fell in love immediately, and it makes reading so much nicer now. Everything is in HD. I could tell you. If you notice, these glasses fit my face really well, because on the side as well they have a section where they teach you how to measure your own face for the glasses as well. I will insert a little clip here for you to see what I'm talking about, and you're also able to upload your own picture onto the site so that you'll be able to try the glasses on, because remember, you're not in a physical store, so therefore you would need to see how the glasses are going to look on you. So you upload a straight on picture of yourself and you're able to put each glasses on to see what it looks like. Guys, I'm in love. And of course, you know, I would not be doing this unless you guys would be getting something out of it. So they have given me a code for you guys. Hey! I have a code, a buy one get one free code for anyone who clicks on the link below. The link will expire on December 30, 2017. So if it's just fashion you want it for, if you want reading glasses, or if you have your own prescription, you can always go to the site and insert all your information and they will be able to assist you. Their customer service though, I'm telling you, their customer service is top notch. They help you every step of the way and they respond to you very quickly. I was surprised to see how fast they responded to me when I had a problem online. So ordering for me was very smooth. Receiving my glasses was very quick. Now that I have received it, I am so in love. I wasn't seeing my phone too good enough, I swear. But not everything is in HD. I'm not exaggerating because I'm doing a review, because I wouldn't tell you that it was good if it wasn't, and I wouldn't review it if it wasn't good, but everything is in HD now. So guys, this was my review on these glasses. I love them and I'm sure you're going to love them too once you have got your 2 glasses for the price of 1. That's it for my review. Thank you so much for watching. As usual, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification button. Until next time, bye!